Sneeze.
Outtakes.
No, it's exactly right there.
Okay, do it.
How should I start?
Hey, what's up, guys?
Hey, you guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day. So for today's video, we are going to be decorating the lounge / living room. We're going to be painting. I'm going to be spray painting things so they go gold. So we're like doing it on like a DIY cheap today. The living room is a bit of a mess, but we're going to give you a little bit of a tour first, so you get like a little bit of before, and then we'll crack on from there. So please like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's do this. Yeah, for this wall here against the sofa and the door, we are going to be painting a really pretty blue colour. It's like a dusty blue. My partner is demonstrating it for you. And then for this wall with the mirror on, that's going to be white. For the wall here with the telly on, that's also going to be white, and the wall behind me is going to be white as well. And then for our sofa, we're doing it pink and blue, and obviously grey because it's already grey. I don't know about this mirror. I don't know whether I should keep it brown or whether I should paint it white or maybe even paint it gold. I don't know. But these pictures up here, we do have another one of those, but we are painting them white because they're going to go against the blue wall. And then eventually we're going to get a nice rug, but for now we have this little blue rug just to protect the carpet from dirty feet. And I think the first port of call, Dominic, is to get everything except from the sofa out of the room. Let's do this.
Keep pushing you away while I want you to stay. Amazing gold is eyes, but my heart still beats. When I say no, it's yes. I'm putting you to the test. Can you handle me? Do you have the key? Sorry that I've been playing games. Do you really have what it takes? I guess so, I guess so. I guess so, I guess so. I am a queen, I need my king. Are you bad enough to sin? I think so, I think so. I think so, I think so. Okay, let me just be honest with you. I want you, and okay, I've been running circles all the time, but I want you. I think so. Okay, let me just it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. But we fell apart just in time. You say at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. I drive from your place, miss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun in this game. I will call our bluff, 'cause using bodies isn't good enough. Slow down, this ain't love. Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. We keep playing games, can't go separate ways. Break up all the same. We keep playing games, can't go separate ways. Break up all the same. Well, we fell apart just in time.
So, quick update. We have painted the 3 walls white. As you can see, it is very, very white. Very, very crisp. Quite nice actually. It's made it quite nice and airy and bright. And so far we have put 3 coats of white on. And the beige is still peeping through a little bit. So we're going to do 1 more coat, and then it should be good. And I have actually started with our blue wall, and I'll just show you that now. So this is the blue we are going for. It kind of reminds me of like a Cinderella blue. It's quite nice. And yeah, and it goes quite nicely with the white as well. As you can see, the door there. It goes quite nicely, and we're going to have those wooden frames that were on that wall. We're going to have a white one, then a gold one, then a white one. So we're going to have 3 up there. And obviously the sofa against the wall. And it's going to look really, really pretty. And I'm quite liking it actually. So we've just pulled the sofa out a bit more so I can do this section here. And all behind, because I couldn't get round. Because the sofa was in the way. So I'm going to finish up this section. We're going to leave all the walls to dry for a minute, and then we're going to do the final coats of each colour. Put the sofa back when it's dry, and I will check in with you again when it is all done. So yeah, it's quite exciting.
Ooh, you say at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try.
can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? For the wrong guys, they keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there?
Two wanderers at dawn of the world full of war. Early sunrise, I gave promise. You said always, and we run and dance. I'm following, I'm preaching, you're my church. I'm yin and yang, you're my Eve, I'm your Adam. And no one is right, or this world is so blind. Feel no doubts in your eyes, you said always, and we run and dance.
Right, so we have finished the painting. As you can see, it's white and it's blue. I'll show you the finished thing in a bit. It is the next day now, but I'm still wearing my same clothes because I'm in DIY mode. I have already sprayed quite a few things gold. I did say earlier that the pictures that I want on this blue wall were going to be white, white, white. Then I said they were going to be white, gold, white. But now I've decided that I just want all the frames to be gold. So I've sprayed 2 of them already. I've got 1 more to spray. I have sprayed a few candle stick holders. And I have sprayed a couple of other different picture frames that are going elsewhere in the room as well. I'm going to show you in a bit a couple of things that we have bought for the room and what else I need to spray paint. So if I just quickly show you what I've already done, then I'll show you what needs to be done, and then let's crack on. So already we have spray painted these 2 frames that are going to go on the blue wall. We have 2 of these little frames that have been done, and we have 2 of these frames that have also been done. I spray painted this little candlestick holder, and we also bought a little leaf dish. We have a little pot there for some plants. Then I spray painted these little candle holders, 1 blue one and a pink one. Then I have some gold, and we also have this dish here that is gold. Now I'll just show you what else we need to spray paint. We have these white letters D and L, so we're going to spray paint those gold. And I also have another one of those frames that we did spray white, but now we've decided to do them all gold, so we need to spray this gold as well. And Dom, please demonstrate. We have bought a shelving unit.
Voila!
We're going to spray the actual shelves white, and then the black bars you see there, we are going to try and spray either gold, or I kind of want them to be blue, so we might try the blue first. But we need to unpack it and get spraying, and I'll check in with you guys when it's all done in a bit. Alright. Directly. Right, let's do this.
We are two strangers who fell in love in the world of wolves. Late sunset, you said yes, I said always, and we run and dance. I'm a water, you're a wave, I'm a player, you're my prize, I'm a ghost, you're a house, you're my body, I'm your glide, and no one is right. All this world is so blind, there no doubts in your eyes. You said always, and we run and dance. We run and dance, oh. We run and dance, oh. We run and dance, oh. We run and dance.
So this is the finished result of the living room. I think it looks really, really pretty. It's turned out amazing. We are going to get some blue pillows and maybe a blue lampshade for the sofa and for the lamp, just so it ties in with the blue. This is the part around the TV. We've got a few gold and white bits, a place where you can put your remote controls. I think it looks really fresh and airy, and I really, really like the gold on the white on the brown. And then we're going to go over to the shelving unit that we spray painted blue and white. We've put all the gold accessories on now, a few blue ones and a few white ones and a few bits of pink as well, because then it all ties in together. I think it looks really, really nice. It took me a while to get the placement of everything because I'm so picky and I wanted it to look just right, but guaranteed it will change once we buy more gold and more blue things and vases and stuff like that. So this is a bit of a close-up, all the pictures we've got, Jack Daniel's bottle with lights in, pretty vase and other pictures. It just looks really homely and like family orientated, and I really, really like it. And I love this top shelf. This top shelf is my favourite, definitely. This is my windowsill for the front of the house. Got some candles, a little vase of sweet peas, and I need to get a little candle for that circular candle holder there, just so it doesn't look so bare and strange. And then this is the back wall, the blue wall that we painted. I don't know about these pictures. I think they look a bit too small. I can't decide. But that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more DIY and cleaning, and I'll see you in the next video.